In this video, I'm going to show you how I've been trading futures on my phone using the platform KuCoin. If you do decide to open an account, then I would appreciate that you use my link, which you can find in the description box below. Trading cryptocurrency is speculative, and you should come with the understanding that you could lose it all. Trading cryptocurrency futures is doubly speculative and is definitely not for your novice trader. At the top of the screen, we have the name of the pair that I'm trading, which is the Doge and USDT pair, perpetual contract. In the limit box, I'm going to enter the price at which I want to enter into this trade. I can simply do this by clicking on any of the prices in the order book. I'm trading with a 4x margin. With this contract, I have up to 20x I could have traded with, but I'm playing it safer by just trading with a margin of 4x. In the quantity box, I'm just going to enter a percentage of my available balance that I want to trade with. And with all that information in, I can just hit the submit button. In this particular situation, I'm shorting Doge against USDT. Now, the cryptocurrency market, as you all know right now, is super volatile. So you got to really be sure of which direction you believe your trade is going in order not to get shaken out when your profit and loss registers a negative balance. As soon as you initiate a trade, the very first thing you want to do is to set up your take profit and stop loss order. In this instance, I'll be setting it at the very first price level, the 25% profit level. KuCoin has made this super easy by allowing you select a set number of price levels at which you can take your take profit or your stop loss. In the case of a stop loss, it does the same thing where I can set my stop loss at 5 preset levels, and in this case, I will be choosing the very first level at which to set my stop loss. So when price level comes down to 18 cents, I will be exited from the trade with a take profit of $124.91. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you've learned something from this video. And if you have, the only thing I ask is that you hit that like button, comment below, because I do use your comments to better inform me of what other content to create. Share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, but most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And I'll meet you in the next video.